guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is like my graduation prep vlog. I know you guys are like, what, this girl was studying? Wow, I'm about to be degreed. I just woke up. It's a Wednesday. The time right now is like 9 o'clock. I am busy packing because I booked myself an Airbnb for 2 nights. So that's what we're doing, and then we'll head out. I also want to install my hair, so the next time you guys see this face, it's gonna look different, really different. Busy packing. So this is my makeup. I use the micas. Oh, and by the way, I got my nails done. You can't really see. I'll show you guys outside. So this is makeup, skincare, clothes, and then shoes. I'm also taking a hair dryer because I'm in my hair era, installing hair era. And then I just have these. They're still gonna get in the bag. There's quite a few things that are still gonna get in the bag because I'm really like getting confused on what to pick. I don't know why, but at least I know what I'm wearing tomorrow. And what else? Yeah, guys, let me just pack, and then I'll see you guys later once I look different. Fabiana. I just finished installing my hair, and I think I did a pretty good job. Okay, this side I didn't cut it properly, and this side, oh, it's a mess, kesana. And I feel like it's a bit at the back. It should have been like maybe here, but I think I like it. I like this install. For a first timer, I did. Oh my god, my hands are so dirty. For a first timer, I think I did pretty good. So I'm about to head out. My bed is a mess. I'm about to head out, and I'll see you guys at the Airbnb. But this is how I look. Stunning. What lace, honey? What lace? Oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. But yeah, let's go. I just got here, but unfortunately I can't check in now because apparently the host didn't send me a pin. So, but I'm currently on my way to Campus Square to get a few things. Hopefully by the time I come back he will be available. So let's go. So I got my goodies, got my gown. Currently going to Clicks because I'm looking for body mist, and the body mist I was looking for in my previous vlog, you guys would have seen it. So that's where I am right now.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back.
Hi guys. I can't believe it's me. Oh my god. Okay. Calm down, calm down. So I just go to the Airbnb. Actually, wait. Let me tell you what happened. So I got here at 2 exactly, and then the host didn't send me the pin. Called him, he wasn't answering. I sent him messages, nothing. And then I decided to go to the mall just to get a few things, and then now I'm back. It's currently, what time is it? I think it's almost 5. And I also went to fetch my gown, as you can see. Oh my gosh, I still can't believe it. I want to quickly show you guys the Airbnb. It's really cute. So simple. It's like a loft. But one thing that I noticed is that there's a lot of flies. I don't know what's happening or where they're coming from. So let me quickly show you guys the apartment. So it's a 1-bedroom apartment. It's in Bramfontein. Yeah, let me quickly show you guys. So when you enter, you have your fridge right here, gas stove, and then on this side you have your washing machine. There's the door, washing machine, sink, you know the vibes. And then this side you have your pots, glasses. Oh, the glasses are not cute, Sana. What is this? And then you have like your sugar, tea, coffee, microwave, kettle. And then I also just got pizza. I am so hungry. I didn't eat since morning. And then I also went to Woolies. I got the mixed berry juice and just snacks, just something to snack on tonight. And then I didn't open these ones. Oh, there's plates in here. And yeah, bowls. And what else? Oh, in here you have water. Is this drinking water? No, I don't think so. You have water, iron. That's it, and the fridge is empty. And then when you come this side, you have your mini dining table. You have like a mini artwork right there, and then a mirror. It's dirty, and you have your graduate right here. Another table right here, and then another artwork. And this side there's the balcony. The views are not really like the nicest. But anyway. And then this is how it looks from this side. And then this side you have your sitting area. So it's like one big couch. It's quite big. So this is how it looks. So cute, cozy, nothing too fancy. And then this side you have your sleeping area. So there's my bag. Then here's how it looks. Cute, simple. Yeah. And then you also have like cupboard space with towel and blanket. And also the shower and the toilet with the mirror. That's it. Here's how I'm looking. This is how I'm gonna be looking tomorrow. Oh, I'm so excited. But yeah, this is everything. So that's the apartment tour, you guys. I am so hungry. I think I'm gonna dish up and eat, and then yeah, just chill. I also have a vlog that's going up now. What time is it? Oh my god, what time is it? Look at that. Oh, Sana. Guys, we always underestimate. It always looks so easy when people are installing hair, but yo. Anyway, let me eat because I'm hungry. And let me take off this gown. and not make it dirty. But yeah, this is how I'm gonna be looking tomorrow.
And from the pictures, it looked really, really cute. And you're all welcome, welcome, welcome. We only have 2 rules in this family. 1, you have to subscribe, and 2, please don't skip ads because the girl needs some call.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell.
Hey guys, it's later on. It's like 8:30, I think, or 8 o'clock. So I decided to take off my wig completely. So I will reinstall it tomorrow morning. I'm catching a flu, so that's not nice at all. So yeah, this was my grad prep vlog. So stay tuned for the graduation vlog. Tomorrow I'm gonna make it a separate video because I want to have more content. Yeah, because I want to have more content, so I'm gonna make it 2 separate video. But yeah, I hope that you are liking this video. So right now I think I'm just gonna Netflix and chill, because yeah, I feel like I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous, like I'm so nervous. I can't believe it's gonna be me walking down that stage. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the actual graduation vlog. So I'm gonna start that tomorrow because tomorrow is my actual graduation day. I'm looking cute. I just took a shower. Everything is all set. My gown is here. My shoes, I'm gonna dye tomorrow because they're like this long. My outfit is outfitting. What else? I'm gonna be smelling expensive, like line. And I just didn't think this was gonna be me this year, you know, like I'm here graduating. Levels, my darling. I'm about to be a degreed hand. Degreed hand worldwide, okay? But yeah, guys, yeah, let me stop blabbering, watch some Netflix, and catch up on other people's vlogs because I have a lot to catch up on. Also, please watch my vlog that I just uploaded at 5. Yeah, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I look all dolled up. So I'm gonna have to wake up at 9 because my ceremony is at 1. Why did I say wake up at 9? I'm gonna wake up early because my ceremony is at 1. Wake up early, do my hair installation, do my makeup, and then yeah, my family is coming over, so it's just gonna be a big party. So you guys will just see everything tomorrow. I hope I'll be able to vlog because you know when you're in the moment and there's a lot going on, you sometimes forget to vlog. So I just hope I'll be able to vlog and bring you guys along with me on this beautiful journey of walking down the UJ auditorium aisle. Okay guys, let me sleep. No, not sleep, let me just chill, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please watch the next vlog.